Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to add a number on iPhone. So if you need to add a number on iPhone, just follow the steps mentioned in this video and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open the phone app. You can see it right here. But if you don't, you can just write phone in the search and it will open up right away. So the next thing that you need to do is you have to go on this keypad, and here you can write the number that you want to add. A number can be any specific number of your friend, of your colleague, of someone that you just met. So we can write the number right away. But if you want to add an international number, then we can do this. We can just press and hold zero, and it will form a press plus sign right here. Now we can add the international number that we want to add. So, for example, this is the international number. And now, if we want to save this number on iPhone, what do we need to do? We need to click on this logo right here on this top left corner with a plus icon. We can just click it. And then we have two options. Either we can create a new contact or we can add it to an existing contact. So I'm going to go with this one, create a new contact. And here you can write the name of the contact that you want to add. If it's a colleague, then you can write the name of the company as well. So here you go. And you can add their email too. If you have their email, add pronouns. You can assign specific ringtones to it, text tone as well. You can add their URL if they have a website, add their address, add their birthday. If you want to have reminders, you can add date as well, a related name, social media profile, and you can also add a note to this number plus a verification code too. And you can add further fields as well, but I would say that's not necessary. So we can just click done and we'll be good to go. So the number is saved in our phone, and that's how you save a number on iPhone. So I hope this video was informative. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.